Updating the firmware in your TV is an important way to keep it working its best, fixing any bugs that might pop up, in addition to providing the latest features. And if your LG Smart TV is connected to the internet, the entire process should take just a few minutes. Press the Settings button. Then point and click on the All Settings icon down to the bottom right. Down on the left now, you'll see General. Click on that. Scroll down almost to the bottom of the General menu and click on About this TV. You'll see your TV's current software version noted here, and below it is the Check for Updates button. Click it and your TV will contact LG directly, letting you know if a newer firmware version is available. If there is, follow the simple on-screen prompts to download the software free of charge and install it. Remember not to power off or unplug your TV at any point during the update process, and you can see the progress here on the screen. The TV will reboot itself as the final step. If no update is available right now, you'll see this message. And see this line on the About This TV page below the button? If you click on this circle, you will set your TV to automatically update its firmware in the future, as long as the TV remains connected to the internet. Firmware updates don't get any easier than that.